New dating tool. Yes, a dating tool out there that's got people talking today. It's called Zoxy. And it was created by a Scottsdale mother. She wanted to create a website to make dating safer. All right, here's how it goes. Everybody on it has credentials so that other online daters actually know the person they are talking to has, get this, passed a background check and an STD screening. Well, today, Alicia chatted with the creator. Her name is JoLynn Clemens. And Alicia asked her why she thought this was necessary.
I really want to make a difference. I really want to eliminate this awkward conversation that people rarely do they have it because they're afraid to broach or approach subjects that are, pretty essential to them staying safe and secure.
All right. Well, the online tool actually launched this week. Clemens says the first 100 people to sign up will get a free membership. We have posted more on this on our website, abc15.com/thenowaz. And Alicia, it is obviously serious out there in them dating streets.
Yes, it is. Isn't that interesting?
It is interesting. What's funny, though, is if you're online, I've got friends who are single, you kind of do that background work anyways.
Right.
So this
research.
Yes, you did research. So this is actually helping the whole situation.
It is.
Yeah.